given the opportunity to serve the humanity, a purpose-driven success. So I say, go help the humanity. Be well educated in terms of saving people. Educate more yourself to become more purposeful in your journey in this life. Magandang hapon, magandang gabi na pamaya. Pagtulog ninyo at pagising sa umaga, you would say, I found my purpose. Thank you.
Magandang araw sa lahat. Kasalukuyan na imbitahin tayo ngayon sa ika-13th commencement exercises ng USDI dito sa may Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. At sa pagkakataong ito, isi-share ko sa inyo kung gaano ka-organized or kung gaano ka-high class ang graduation ng USDI.
To be called as graduates of Caregiving Institute, Caregiving Elderly, and the Healthcare Services. Now, I pronounce you as graduates.
Our graduates will receive 3 certificates: the Healthcare Assistant, Caregiving for Elderly, and Caregiving Certificates. Asa Giancarlo Pimentel, Marquena Omaira Monaco, Romero Arlene Fordan, Tata Charlene Molam, Peral Mercenario Alfonso, Verde Harold Soriano,
Yay! Congrats!
Namlin Nelsa S. Talo Dia Linanen. As team leader, majority of the batch trainees having contributed to the smooth flow of communication to all his fellow students. As an example to these fellow students, Montesa Joan Maria Alvarez, Marasigan Erwin Villarao, Bermudez Earl Jones Villaris, Maligaw Margie Ann Pundong, Verde Harold Soriano, Laureta Raymond A. Rivera, Taka Charlene Mulao. Congratulations to our leadership awardees. With an average of 4.9, we have Bermudez Earl Jones Villaris, Galip Sarah Muhammad, Nadim Michelle Smote, Verde Harold Soriano. Another awardee from Medina we have, with an average of 4.9, Makakena Omaira Manaco. Another awardee from Medina, Abu Bakr Hanan Muadili. The last awardee we have from Medina, with an average of 4.8, Taka Charlene Mulao. We have the next award, Batch 28, Ulubalang Harligay Lagway. The Batch 29, we have Adam Hanan Mahamat. The Batch 29, Budlong Annalisa Bosmion, Abu Bakr Hanan Muajili. We have Abu Bakr Hanan.
I want you to tell yourselves that you deserve it. We deserve it. We're graduating. And yeah, I'm not going to make this any longer because I'm not good with speeches and I have social anxiety. Thank you very much for giving us this opportunity and making this happen. Again, congratulations to everyone. Congratulations.